Apple Watch widgets. How to use smart stacks. On your Apple Watch, either swipe up or rotate the digital crown. You will see a smaller version of the clock along with the date. If you have any apps currently running on your device or iPhone, these will be the first widgets displayed, and they cannot be reordered or edited. However, once you stop running those apps, they will close out of the widget stack. Scroll through the widgets on the touchscreen or use the digital crown. Tap on a widget to open the associated app. To edit your Smart Stack widgets, find the first inactive widget. Press and hold. To add a new widget, tap the plus button. To delete a widget, tap the minus button. Tap the pin button to pin a widget to the top of the stack. Tap Done when you're finished.